Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin V. Bangale, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Veda, College of Science, Tala. Now I am here to teach the comparative chemistry of Group 17 element. Contents of the today's discussion: positions in periodic table, what are halogens, electronic configurations of Group 17 elements, and general characteristics of the Group 17 elements. Here, positions in periodic tables of the group 17 elements. These are the whole periodic table. In this periodic table, group 17 elements are, these are yellow colored group 17 elements. And here, these are present in our periodic table. All these are the halogens. Then, what are halogens? The halogens are the elements that form 17 elements in our periodic table. They are reactive, non-metal, and includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Halogens are highly reactive, non-metal. These elements are greatly resonable in properties with each other. Group 17 elements are collectively called as halogen. Here, these are the halogen is the Greek words. Here, the halo means the salts and gens means producing. So, collectively, the salts producing, and it consists of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. This similarly to this extent is not found in other groups of the periodic table. They have a regular in the physical and chemical properties. Astatine is the only radioactive elements in the groups. They have 7 electrons in their outer shell, that is the Ns2, Np5, and are short of 1 electrons from the other configurations of the nearest noble gas. The chemical properties and reactivities of an element are determined by oxidation state exhibited by them. And these are the whole informations of the halogens. The next point, the electronic configurations of the group 17 elements. Here, the group 17 elements are the halogen. The members of the halogen family have 7 valency electrons. They have 7 electrons in their outermost orbits, and thus they are 1 electron short of the nearest noble gas configuration. And the general electronic configurations of halogen family is given by Ns2, Np5. Here, these are the table. In this table, the electronic configurations of the halogens are, these are the halogens, here these are the atomic numbers of the halogen, and here these are the electronic configurations of the halogen family. Here, for example, here the fluorine, the atomic number of fluorine is 9, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Then chlorine, atomic number of the chlorine is 17, its electronic configuration. Here the neon is a fulfilled electron. The outermost electron are present in the chlorine atom 3s2, 3p5. Then bromine, atomic number 35, electronic configuration 4d10, 4s2, 4p5. Then iodine, the atomic number 53, its Kr is the inert gases 4d10, 5s2, 5p5. And last one is the astatine, the atomic number 85, and its electronic configuration is xenon 4, F14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. These are the electronic configurations of group 17 elements. Then general characteristics of the group 17 elements, and here the first is the molecular formula of the halogen is, the halogen exists as a diatomic covalent molecule. Here, these are the halogens. fluorine, here the molecular formula F2, chlorine, the molecular formula Cl2, bromine, the molecular formula Br2, iodine, its molecular formula is I2, and last one is the astatine, its molecular formula is A82. 82. Here, these are the molecular formula of the halogen family. The next, the oxidation state of the group 17 elements. That much points are very important. Here, all the elements of these halogen family exhibits -1 oxidation state. However, the elements such as chlorine, bromine and iodine also show +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. This higher oxidation states of the chlorine, bromine and iodine is realized when these halogens are in combinations with small and highly electronegative atoms of the fluorine and oxygen. The oxides and oxyacids of the chlorine and bromine have +4 and +6 oxidation state, and there are no valency shell d orbital in fluorine atom, and therefore it cannot expand its octet. And fluorine being the most electronegative elements, it exhibits the only -1 oxidation state. And these are the whole oxidation state of the group 17 element, that is the halogen family. Then physical property of the group 17 elements. Here these are the elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and here the molecular formula F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. The proton number fluorine 9, chlorine 17, Br2 35, I2 53. Atomic radius in nanometer. Fluorine 0.071, chlorine 0.099, bromine 0.114, I2 0.133. The density of the halogen family is the fluorine 0.0017, chlorine 0.0032, bromine 3.13, iodine 4.95. The melting points of the halogens are, first is the fluorine, the -220, chlorine -101 degree centigrade, bromine -7 degree centigrade, iodine 114 degree centigrade. The last one physical property, that is the boiling points of the fluorine -188 degree centigrade, chlorine -35 degree centigrade, bromine 59 degree centigrade, and last one is the iodine 184 degree centigrade. These are the physical properties of group 17 elements. Then physical states and colors of the halogen family. The table show that the physical states and colors of the various halogens are, here the halogen fluorine, the physical states and colors of the fluorine is pale yellow and its physical states gaseous. Then chlorine, its color is greenish yellow and physical state in gas. The bromine color reddish brown and physical state liquid. Then last iodine, its color purple black and its physical state the solid. Means here the fluorine and chlorines are gaseous, bromine is in liquid and iodine is solid. These are the physical states and colors of the halogen atoms. Then electronegativity of the halogen atom. The electronegativity of an element is a measurement of the strength of its atoms in a molecule to pull electrons toward the nucleus. These are the basic informations of the electronegativity. The halogens are very high, very electronegativity. The table shows the variations of the electronegativity of the halogen atoms. These are the elements. Here, by using the Pauling scale, the electronegativity values of the fluorine is 4.0, chlorine is 3.0, bromine is 2.8, iodine 2.5. These are the electronegative values of the fluorine to iodines are increases and iodine to fluorines are decreases. The non-metallic characters of the halogen family. On account of the high electronegativity, all the halogens are non-metallic in character. The non-metallic character, however, decreases as we move down the groups. The last elements, iodine has comparatively very small electronegativity and exhibits the metalloid character. Means the only iodine is the metalloid character, and it has metallic luster and it has tendency to lose electrons to form the positive ion. Then electron affinity. The electron affinity of the all elements have high electron affinity. Therefore, they have a strong tendency to gain an electrons to acquire noble gas configuration S2P2. The chlorine has the highest electron affinity, which decreases gradually as we move group from chlorine to iodine. The electron affinity of the fluorine is lower than that of the chlorine. The unexpectedly lower value is due to small size of the atom. The addition of extra electrons in fluorine atom produced a high electron density is a relatively compact 2p subcell, and therefore there is a strong electron repulsion. Consequently, fluorine is a highly lesser tendency to accept an extra electron. Its electron's affinity is low. Then bond energy are very important here. The halogen atoms from the diatomic covalent molecule, the stability of the covalent bond decreases as the size of the atoms are increases, because the larger atoms are unstable and exert a greater attractions on electron pair that holds the molecules together. And this indicates by the decreasing the values of the bond dissociation energy from chlorine to iodine, but fluorine on the contrary has much lower value than that of the chlorine. Here there are two possible reasons. First is because of the short bond length in F2 molecule, the repulsion between the non-bonding electron is very large, which assists its dissociation the molecule. And another reasons, in order to halogen, the bond is a strength due to the possibility of the multiple bond formation involving a overlap of the filled p orbital of one atom with an empty d orbital of the other atom. And these types of multiple bonds is not possible in fluorine because of non-availability of d orbital in valency shell. Thank you very much.